Welcome to the Center for Oncology and Immunology. Under the auspices of the InnoHK initiative, we aim to harness the power of biotechnology to develop innovative therapies to combat hard-to-treat malignancies and bring hope to millions of cancer patients around the world. Our center is co-led by scientific pioneers, Professor Tak Mak and Professor Sut Yi Leung. Our research team employs novel functional screens as well as genomic and proteomic techniques to identify novel, druggable therapeutic targets against cancers prevalent in Asia. Together with our world-class overseas research collaborators, we strive to address these global unmet medical needs and establish Hong Kong as a leading hub of precision oncology and immunotherapy development.
Our endeavors will prime the establishment of biotechnology and commercialization expertise in Hong Kong.
Center for Oncology and Immunology, commitment to cure cancer.
Cancer is the #1 killer. Our latest weapon is using our immune system. Our laboratory contributed in 1995 to the discovery of the first break to the T-cell immunology. T-cells are killers. This had started immunotherapy because of the brilliant work of Jim Allison and Tasco Honjo, who figured they can put a break to the T-cell immunology, and they will unleash all the T-cells to kill whatever they can see. But what they can see is very important. We have achieved enormous advances in many different types: melanomas, lung cancers, bladder cancers. But on the other hand, there has been very difficult journeys towards our attacks on gastrointestinal cancers, liver cancers, and blood cancers. That's our focus. Behind this unleash of millions of these, billions of these T cells trying to find the cancers to kill, what are the targets? The targets is going to be important for us to identify the real killers, which we would like to amplify. The real killers could be this particular T cell and this T cell receptors, but there are 10 trillions of them. So our groups together plan to identify for each of these diseases. It's already been approved for uveal melanoma, leukemias, and lymphomas. We need more advances. 2,000 clinical trials are ongoing, but unfortunately, the advances have been limited. We need new kind of thinking. 10 years ago, together with Kevin Tracy in New York, we came across a surprising finding that our brain actually talks to our immune system. And we can then uncover this kind of thinking, in this case, to activate a neurotransmitter called norepinephrine onto the T cell. The T cell receptor would then find more easily the target and kill them.
So with the one of the novel approach highlighted by Professor Tak Mak on how to improve the efficacy of immune therapy, our center also are having many other strategy in the pipeline trying to increase the efficiency of the immune system. I would also like to highlight other ongoing projects that, beyond the immune system or incorporating the immune system to achieve success in helping patients. One of these involve establishment of biobank, living biobanks, that we can grow the patient's cancers in the lab, be it with an organoid culture or thousands of patients' hemic leukemia cells. And with this, we actually test the drug sensitivity and derive biomarker, and there has been success demonstrated by Professor Ansgar Leung in our team, who has actually successfully identified a combination of drugs involving homoherotonin and FLT3 inhibitor, which lead to cure or complete remission in over 80% of a specific subgroup of AML patients. So using this approach, we also identify other new drug sensitivity that provide a hope for cure for patients who has hard to treat cancer. This is our drug discovery pipeline involving CRISPR technology, cell-based therapy, and chemoproteomic drug designs, specifically to highlight our suite of CRISPR technology invented by Dr. Alan Wong in our team, who has just received the Bank of China Hong Kong 2023 Innovation Prize in Life and Health. So we believe with these groups of young people and all these technologies in the pipeline, we are going to make huge impact together with the collaboration between us and UHN and our overseas collaborator. Thank you.